Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Expeditions and I will show you the horn fuse location. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2007 all the way up to 2014. Horn fuse will be located in a small fuse box in a passenger cabin just next to the passenger's right foot. Just behind this cover. Now to remove the cover you just want to pull it towards yourself. And now you will get access to the actual fuse box cover. As you can see, on top of the cover you have a small fuse diagram. To remove the cover you'll have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. So you want to press them at the same time and leave the cover off. Horn fuse is fuse number 24, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse located here. Hopefully this fuse will be burnt and that will fix your problem. If not, you'll have to look into the horn itself and possibly the airbag clock spring, as quite often that is the main reason for horn not working. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.